taking a permanent marker and I'm going to write negative things that we as human beings should not have to face. We as human beings need to rise above, and basically I'm gonna write a lot of negative things on this shirt.
The interior of the stack. Can you guys see it? Oh. Brian, this is my friend Tori. Brian.
Jesus Christ, man. You better be careful. You got...
Oh, I'm good, dude.
Look at that ass. How's everybody doing? We're in beautiful Western North Carolina right now, and we're setting up for our first show. That's right. Real Big Fish.
Metalhead wearing a real big fish.
Rick saw them last night.
Big fucking roll.
So we are live. Well, when you see this, it's not going to be live, but it's going to be filmed live at the Boiler Room in Western downtown Asheville, North Carolina. It's the first show that I've had here. And also, the first show.
Jason Volkman, I'm sorry if I hurt his feelings. Sincerely.
I got a rep too, the jersey hat. Oh, wait, hold on.
Evidently he doesn't know what it's like to have a brother, because that's what brothers fucking do.
Are you guys having fun tonight? I like you guys. This is actually the first time I've ever played down south in Asheville. I'm from Jersey. So, this next song is a lot about negative feelings, and if anybody saw me rocking this really stupid homemade fucking shirt, has a lot of negative feelings on it. Left out, suicide, alone, doubt, haziness. I know it says hazy, not haziness, but this is what I think about all the negative feelings that we feel on a day-to-day basis. And I dedicate this action right here, right now, to this next song. This one's called Show Me, and I